Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Monday, December 5th, and I'm standing in front of the most beautiful quilt. This is a quilt called Trilingual by Anna Maria Horner, and we are expecting kits any day now. The kits are due to arrive in December, and it of course is December. Let me just read you a little bit about it. Keep your hands busy this winter with this beautiful quilt by Anna Maria, which is composed of her newly released Fluent fabric collection. The kit contains more than 16 yards of fabric for the top and binding, a printed pattern booklet, and paper templates. And this finishes at 72 square. So a good two yards each direction. Super fun. You'll get a little bit of a close-up look at that in just a minute. And then the next thing I want to share for you is made with the next fabric collection that I'm going to show you in a couple minutes. This is the fabric collection is called Happiness, and I'll be sharing the pattern and the fabric with you when we walk around the corner, but I just wanted you to appreciate the colors and different sizes of prints and the fun different prints in this collection in this quilt top. So you can come over here and check out the Anna Maria quilt, and then I'll see you around the corner. All right, before I forget, the quilt pattern is called the Zola quilt, and I really like the white pieces. Kind of makes that asterisk design, and you can make this in baby, lap, or twin size. It's fun in the solid colors, but I really like it in this collection as well. So this collection is called Happiness. It's 20 bolts, and we did have that pattern in the sample I showed you. Happiness invokes the magical moments when nature puts on its final burst of summer color as dahlias steal your gaze like fireworks exploding in a clear night sky. The last waves of warmth carry perfume in the air as you sit back and relax in your deck chair. Pure, unadulterated happiness. And this is by Pippa Shaw for Figo. I feel like she could also write poetry. I do love the kind of retro modern thing we've got going on here. It's a little bit 70s and a little bit 2020s, I guess. And then this has a little bit of like a 1920s feel. It's really fun. We're kind of hitting all the decades in this one, but I really love the happy colors. It just makes you want to get out there and do something with it. And there's, of course, those pretty dahlias. And we have that in a variety of colors. And there's the pink. So we have lots of colorful inspiration for you today. And the purple. And then look at these little prints. I like that. The kind of graphic design on that's really pretty. I like the spacing around the flowers too. And some fun swirls. That's a really fun collection. I like most of the things that Figo puts out. It's definitely more current feeling than some other things we have. And then we have these cute little stars, which of course harken back to that pattern really well, in 4 colors. Oh, that's a pretty color combination. And then this one's kind of a salmon tomato mix. And one other thing I wanted to share with you, if you've been in the shop over the past few months, you know that we have some original feed sacks that are available. We've now bundled what's remaining into cute little bundle packages that you could buy for someone for Christmas. Look, that one's got the words from the original packaging on the bottom. And so we have 3 bundles of 3 sacks and bundles of 5 sacks. And I tried to bundle them in color coordinated groups. So if you're interested in purchasing feed sacks, this is the first time that they're available online. So if you are interested, just give us a call at the shop. We can tell you what colors there are. We could actually take pictures for you if you want. But these would be really nice and unique holiday gifts for people that are hard to shop for and maybe really appreciate vintage fabrics or vintage quilts. So that's what we have for you today, a nice long video. I hope you have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop with something really exciting tomorrow. Bye.